The first application I made, I didn't get it, which was an eye opener. I'm looking at the review and they were like, "You've just done your job, speaking at conferences or doing some innovation thing or helping out with this or all the things you've done. You just done your job." And I was like, "Wait, what?" Because I feel I did so much more than just my job. The first time I got rejected, I used that feedback about how there's no difference between the work that I had done and the work that is my own. The work I've done for work because as a developer advocate, your job is to be out there. I wanted to highlight this point because it's very important, especially for developer advocates, because your job literally is to be in conferences and speaking and stuff. You might be tempted to show those conferences and say, "Hey, I was here, I did this and that." However, they might pick that up as your job. You're just doing your job. So that can even fall under doing your job, contributing to a product led company. What I did was differentiating the conferences that I went to and spoke about things that I wanted to speak about. For example, I'm very passionate about web accessibility, performance, and also teaching people about JavaScript concepts. So I have done some conferences where I've spoken, even though it shows, Obinna Ekwuno developer advocates at this, the topic itself is more things that I am passionate about. That is just the title. This is independent. It's not pushing my technology and this, which is the major thing I wanted to point out to developer advocates. I know that it is part of your KPIs to give talks about your product and what you're advocating for. However, try to give independent talks, things that you can contribute. Hey, I learned this, I'm using this new tool. Like right now, I'm learning and using Solid.js. Nobody's paying me for that work. I'm just doing it and I'm going to do some content on it. And I have some free courses on Jamstack and some free courses on Egghead. So that's why I used for that category. And then the work that I've done for work itself, learning, teaching a workshop with Gatsby or building a demo with Cloudflare workers or some technology specific thing, all of those fell into a different document on work. And I literally labeled the work related contributions and put all of that in a whole list. That's how you differentiate it because you have to be
Yeah.
explicit because of the role of a developer
Mm-hmm.
advocate. You have to show what that is. So, yeah.